Crazy, crazy, crazy. A park without water fountain. Oh my gosh, I spilled the water. No. Did I spill the whole thing? That's not good. That is, oh my god. That is so not good. What's up, everyone? Don't mind my house because right now it's freaking hot outside. So I'm just freaking blacking out all the freaking windows. Anyway, so this weekend I am dog sitting for my friend while she is going to a wedding. So this is Peppa. Meet little Peppa. Anyway, going back to me, I am going to get ready to bring her outside to the park. Got the water, got some of her treats. I'm gonna put her on a leash and we're gonna start heading there. All right, let's go. She's way too excited for this. Oh my god, stop. Stop! Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Woo! Finally. So hot in here. Holy shit. AC, AC, AC. Bump it up, bump it up. Let's see. Ah! So, this park, actually, I need to... Whew, I thought I was like, where's my phone? Anyway, I'm about to... Oh, well, I got a call from my friend. Hold up.
Hey.
Hello.
Is my dog alive?
Yeah, I'm about to take her to the park.
You're gonna take her to the park?
Yeah.
To what park?
There's a park close by me. I've never been to it, so I'm just gonna check it out.
Oh my god, she's gonna love you. Dude, thank you. You didn't have to do that.
Yeah, she's like whining.
Oh yeah, she cries all the time,
Yeah.
like on her way there. I don't know if it's because like she gets like anxious or she's excited. I really don't know what it is. And then on the way back, she's gonna be so tired, she's not gonna do anything.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I don't know why.
Mm-hmm.
She whines a lot in the car. That's always. I don't know why. But I know she's a pain in the ass. Would you mind sending me like a video?
Well, I am actually vlogging right now, so.
Just show me like a tiny video, a small video or something like that. And I need to go to this thing, so. Thank you so much, you.
You're welcome.
Bye bye. See you soon.
All right, bye bye. Okay, now I need to change the music. All right. Okay, I need to Google map this thing right now. Should be this. Richdale Park? I don't know. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go for real though. But first, let me turn the shit up. Woo! Look at that. Oh yeah. Anyway, look at her. Alright. Ready? So we just got here at the park, and so what happened was I was literally just talking to the guy. So right now parking is closed for the park itself, like this. But we could just walk right into it. He said I could just park right here, and this is the guy that just works at the park. He's the one that locked the door. All right. Oh my gosh, I spilled the water. No. This is so bad. My car is a mess now. This is all the water. All the water's in it. Damn. Well, now I need to find a way to get inside. I don't even know how to get inside, but I mean, I guess I could just go and scoot under into the little hole right here. He literally said, yeah, you could go right through all these little holes. I'm like, okay, that works. Well, the biggest hole for me is not gonna be this. It's going to be all the way over there. Go under. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, I'm under. I went under. Whew. So, I'm in the park right now. And, oh shit. Oh, well, this is a construction zone? This one says construction zone there. Right there, construction zone. I don't know where the construction is, but this is pretty cool. It's like a little tiki type of sculpture. All right. My car's over there, and I'll see you later, car. I think this park is really empty right now, but pretty cool. Oh no, you're not going for that water. I have water. This dog is from Puerto Rico. She knows Spanish. No! She knows Spanish and English. Oh, nope, get away from that. So, what she was sniffing was this. It's full of ants on a dead bone carcass. Oh my god! I just realized what that was. Oh my god. Those were fire ants. Those were fire ants. That hurt so much. Oh my god. That hurt so much. So that is my second time being bit by fire ants now. My first time was actually in Puerto Rico. Fuck, it hurts. Anyway, first time was in Puerto Rico when I was doing my internship for humpback whales, which was freaking awesome. Was able to listen to the male singing. It was during the winter time, so it was during their breeding season, which is really cool. She would not stop trying to chase squirrels. Come on, Peppa. And oh my gosh, she's pulling me really hard right now. Oh my god. Anyway, so we have been walking for almost 20 minutes now, and there's nobody in sight. Like, this is the first time ever seeing a park just with nobody. So this is crazy. Like, this is cool though, because I'm the only one, it seems like. So I'm gonna have to find a water fountain because there's no water left in this. It's only ice, and that's not good. She definitely needs water now. I'm gonna have to go and find it quickly. So I'm waiting for this ice to thaw out so she could drink water. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing. It's crazy. Crazy. A park without water fountain. I think she's ready for some water. All right. See, the ice is still. Oh boy. Can't believe it though. I need to wait for this ice to thaw out. And there's no water fountain around. None at all. Well, she drank all that water real quick. Now she's eating ice. So Yeah, there's not much around. I'm gonna start heading back because one, I need more water for her, and two, I need some water myself. She has her head in there trying to get water. She needs so much water. All right, I'm gonna start heading back right now. Look what we found. We found a water fountain. We found one. It was really close. I can't believe I missed this completely. But you know what? I got water now, so. But so we're gonna start heading back after this. She's drinking hell a lot of water right now. I want to drink water too. For being a good sport and following me for that long and actually not complain about it. Here you go. After making that short little break for her to drink some water, we are officially heading back. It's been a good 30 minutes to 40 minutes of walking, but got some exercise out of her and got to check out this park, which is not bad, you know. Never been here. Take a look at this right here. Oh, I kind of woke her up. Hey Peppa, go back to bed. She's so tired. She's going back to bed again. Alright, I won't bother her.